Good morning. Today I'm going to show you a demonstration of a Python application I've developed to help create an instrument index from a set of P&IDs. So here I have the application started up already. I've scanned in a PDF. Um, you can, the way this works is we create an image from a PDF, and then we load that image, and we are able to capture all the relevant information from this image. So the first step in using this application is to capture the document name. So we use hotkeys. So P turns on the P&ID title mode, and you can see on the cursor, it's a little hard, but it says P&ID just to display the mode. So now we do OCR and we capture the P&ID document number. And so that document number is going to be that location that we drew that box is going to be saved. So as we navigate across different pages of the P&IDs, we will recapture that for every page, and it gets associated with the instruments to capture. So push A and we switch into instrument capture mode. So let's do example this one right here, LY. So you can see we have LY7831. Now we want to capture the line, so we push F, and that puts us into line capture mode. And we can see it's kind of hard to see actually. Here's the line right here. So we draw a box around that line, and now we have our line number displayed here. And this is all done with OCR and AI object detection. So now we put Z to capture the service coming in. So this line originates from here, down here. If we scroll down here. We'll call this, oh boy, looks like it comes from, well, we'll say it comes from here. I'm not 100% sure if it's correct, but demineralized water transfer hubs. So here we have the service in, and then this, we push X and we capture this where it's going to, and we'll just say that SCCKT. And so once we have all that information, we hit W, and what it does is it creates an Excel document and populates that document with the information. And so, as you can see, we have some different parameters here. We have our tag number. The S, I think that was just a misread. It should be LY here. And then 7831. And that's the confidence of the box it captured. That's the location of the box on the image. This is the type of object you recognize an instrument. The P&ID document number. The service description, which the OCR captures. It read wrong. This P&ID is pretty low resolution and just kind of fuzzy in general. But the OCR is not always perfect. It works surprisingly well, but not always perfect. So it says demineralized water transfer pumps to SSC TK24. We have the line number 558447, and then we have a little file entry for reference. So that's how we capture one instrument, and we can do this for as many instruments as we need. So let's try that. Oops, this a little more. Okay, so let's try another instrument. Oh, and I will show you. We can set different parameters on the instrument capture. So if our um, instrument capture is not working well, we can modify these parameters. And these are all the OCR settings we can adjust. But right now it's capturing that. I think the S, this is what we had on the S before. That's fine. So let's try some more. This is a very dense P&ID. So let's just, for example, let's just do a huge box of all the instruments here. So it's processing, and we captured all these instruments. And so we can let's change our service just from the water treatment room. This is just for example. This is not actually accurate. To the floating seal, and let's say our line number is this one right here. So 594. Blah, blah, blah. So if we hit W, we begin writing all those instruments to our Excel document. And you can see we're getting some of the little bubbles here because they look like instruments, so the AI model is recognizing them. So it thinks E4 is an instrument where I'm not so sure what that is really, but we captured it. Um, so yeah, that's like a quick demo of how this software works.